Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Joseph Clough, and this is episode 565. I hope you're doing wonderfully great today. And in this episode, we're going into a live hypnosis session. Of course, on the podcast or on the app, this will be a recording. So it's important if you want to be able to get these live sessions. And just before we started this, we have like 10-15 minutes of talking with one another. And I always ask for suggestions. So if you catch these live on YouTube, which is youtube.com/Joseph Clough, Clough, it means you can actually have your input. I can utilize your suggestions, and therefore it makes it a little bit customized. So go ahead and join youtube.com/Joseph Clough. And that means you can like, subscribe, all that bells and whistles, and you can be a part of the live show. Now, on this, as I said, this is a hypnosis session, and it is all going to be about health, mind-body restoration. Nothing kind of crazy. It's more of a healing, becoming more centered, being here now, making sure our mind and body is on track. You see, the mind and body is totally connected. Your conscious mind is totally connected to your unconscious mind. So if we have the intention and the right suggestions to be able to put it in the right direction, we're going to get our mind and body into the place that it needs to heal, to be able to restore. And I've got plenty of hypnosis sessions on that. I'm sure of it, especially at the beginning of last year to try to help people. It was free. I can't quite remember which one it was. I think there's like an immune booster one in day and night versions, but that was probably about 80 episodes back or so. But if you're on the app, that's a good thing. You haven't downloaded the app, go to freehypnosis.app, and you can just search for immune or booster, and those two sessions will come up. But this one will obviously be slightly different, and I think you're going to really, really enjoy it, because once again, the mind and body is totally connected, and we want to make sure we're sending the right signals. It's almost like if you're speaking negatively, you feel bad. If you have negative, doubtful thoughts, you feel depressed. If you're focusing on all the things you don't want to happen, you're going to get anxiety. But if we can speak new words, new learnings and lessons to your unconscious mind, then I believe we're in for a good restoration time and experience to be who we want to be. So of course, before we get into this session, make sure you are not driving, operating heavy machinery, that you're in a nice, comfortable position. Relax a little bit. Give yourself this opportunity to restore your mind and body. Now because we're doing this live, I am going to be testing out some new experiences. So that's why you should turn up live to these. It's going to really, really help your experience to deepen it in every single way. So I'm going to turn off that, and we're probably going to edit this. This is directly on the 20-minute mark, so that's easy for me to remember. So I'll edit this bit out of the podcast. But let's go ahead and see what we do now. Once again, this is the first time I've done this. So when you're ready, get yourself in a nice, comfortable position. Close your eyes and be here now. That's it. Now, before we go into that transformation you desire, make an intention. Decide. Declare what you would like to achieve, what you would like to receive, in such a way that if you achieved it, if you received it, would give you an undeniable experience of transformation. And with your eyes closed, send that signal to your unconscious mind. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to transform my mind, my body. I'm ready to restore every cell of my neurology. There we go. So breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. That's it. You see, this session for around 15 minutes or so will allow your mind and body to restore, to rejuvenate, to allow your mind and body to feel so good, better than before, but not as much as in a moment now. That's it. Because I'm gonna count down from 10 down to 9. All the way soon down to 0. Because you can relax, you can learn, down to 8. Being aware of the sounds, the sound of my voice as it goes with you into trance, to relax, to learn, and to enjoy this moment in such a profound way that gives you that feeling of energy, of love, of beingness, to be here now, down, deeper, down to 7. With each breath out, you relax deeper into trance. But we're not to go too quickly, for it takes your own time, your own way. That's the beauty of going in to trance, for you're learning to go in to trance, deeper and deeper, more and more, where even the effort it takes to be aware of how your body is positioned may be too much effort. It's easier to just let go, to enjoy that journey of transformation. That's it. Drifting in time and space, feeling heavily relaxed, or just free floating in calmness, nourishing and bathing that relaxation into every cell of your neurology. It feels good to be here because it means you're learning. And if you're learning, it causes your mind and body to just evolve, to grow, to expand your mind and body, to create a deeper connection that serves you in the future, right now. That's it. Be to 5. Allowing the muscles to just relax and soften. That's it. Your mind, your muscles, your thoughts are softening, being more gentle, more comfortable. Down, deeper to 3. For now is your time to be more than before, to realize how powerful you are, where you can go beyond old limitations, old thoughts can disappear that no longer serve you. You see, in this learning state, going down, relaxing down to 2 and 1, you can go through 0, free floating in wonderful comfort, relaxing more into trance. You see you, the unconscious mind. This is your time to restore, to replenish, to heal. It is now time to release old thoughts, worries, or doubts that do not serve you. If they're not protecting fully, we can let them go. Right here, right now. You can tell your unconscious mind, I don't need these anymore. I hand them over. I let them go. To release unwarranted or inappropriate emotions that also do not serve us. Any emotion that doesn't feel good that we've been feeling, let's let them go too. Any old behaviors, let's release them too. And you, the unconscious mind, can do so by preserving wonderful learnings. Learnings protect you. You see, when you learn what is needed to be learned, you're safer. So those old worrying thoughts and doubts will no longer be needed. So let's direct our intention and attention into the mind and body, as if your body is becoming so restored. And we can do it in many, many ways. We may see it. We may hear it. You may feel it. You can feel the feelings that will allow you to transform, to be stronger than before, allowing yourself to allow your attention to focus on what is good and what is great, where you can be fully restored, restoring your thoughts, your feelings, your behaviors, where in every moment in the future you are calm, you are confident, you are self-empowered. And you can tell your body, It's okay. Let's restore right now. Let's release all that no longer serves us and learn. You can remember your true essence, your true power. You can remember times in the past where you were confident, your mind and body was strong, and your unconscious mind can do so, and it can remember how it felt, and remember that strategy for feeling whole, content, at one, feeling so restored, releasing energetic ties that no longer serve you, old associations we can release now, and we can reconnect to our essence. However you do so, you may have a thought, a feeling, a symbol. You may imagine in your mind that your body, that your mind is 100% restoring, feeling more ease, more care, remembering that oneness, feeling the peace that is always present, the contentment that is always there. Every cell of your mind, your body can feel so good, and you can enjoy that experience as it flows through you. That's it. You can feel so good on this journey. For every time you take a moment for yourself, remember, we are enlightening those cells, revitalizing the neurology. It is starting to shine within you and with beyond you. To all future situations, you are powerful and you are strong. Your body remembers the way of the immunity to be strong, to be wonderfully free, to be protected, to enjoy that wonderful feeling of empowerment. In every moment, you may see yourself going off into the future, having made that change. Notice how good your body is, how it reacts with deep vitality, strength, oneness. Notice that you are strong. You are love. You are whole. And you are ready to feel better than a moment ago, but not as much as in the minutes and seconds to come. That's it. Relax. Learn. And feel so good right now. Make that conscious and unconscious decision that you're ready to restore and to feel so good, enlightening those cells, the deepest part of your neurology expands in healing, in restoration, revitalization. This is yours, and you can have it anytime you wish. So when you are ready to deepen the transformation while awakening out of trance, I'm going to slowly and effortlessly bring you out of trance, this learning state, as I count from 1 to 5. So 1, every muscle feels more rejuvenated, more relaxed. At 2, you feel that bit more energized, just to the level that you desire and choose now. At 3, you breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And then at 4, you breathe in again and exhale through the mouth. And then when you are ready, at 5, you can come all the way back. Open your eyes, all the way back to now, having made that change. That's it. All the way back to now. Welcome back. All the way back. Let me know that you're here and you're ready. And let's get back to a lighter chill out. So as you're all the way back to now, I hope you enjoyed this hypnosis session and that you got value from it. And if you want to be able to keep enjoying these episodes, please go ahead and leave me a rating review on the app or on the podcast. It's definitely on the app if you've got the app, which is a free hypnosis.app. And yeah, I want to keep doing these live. I'm trying to release 4 episodes every week. Now, obviously, depending on the demand, I will keep doing that, or we'll pull it back to maybe 2 per week. We'll see. But if you are enjoying the app, go ahead and let me know. And just go to your app store, leave a review, and that means I know you're enjoying these, and therefore I can keep on doing them for you. I mean, I'm going to keep doing them, but just depending on how often that I do them. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, if you want to be able to get the right profound transformation, I do have an 8-week program. It is fully customized. All you got to do is go to my masterclass or webinar, whatever you like to call it. Go to josephclough.info/power, and it's about letting go of imposter syndrome and all self-doubt. It is one of those programs where there is an investment, of course, so be aware of that. So yeah, it's very customized, fully tailored. And with that, my friends, I appreciate you in every way, and I look forward to speaking to you on a future podcast episode while I go to the live chat right now. So many thanks and goodbye. Hey, so I wanted to invite you to go to www.josephclough.info/go. And let's help you start that process of getting total clarity on what you're going through, what's stopping you, the reasons behind it, where you want to be, and what you want to achieve. As if anything was possible. Let us help you get that clarity on the things just like our clients. There's nothing better than that clarity. It starts there, and when we build around it, we get exactly what we want. Otherwise, we can't build our dreams or even our goals without it. Let's get that clarity and get everything you need to move forward and start creating the life you desire. We make it so easy stepping into your power and creating the unstoppable you. Most people wait and wait. Most people try and try, and most people only regret the time they wasted. The hours of living in their self-doubt, the self-sabotage, the imposter syndrome. If we think about it this way, even if you experience any or all things that you're experiencing to a smallest degree, even beneath the surface at say 5 hours a day, on that inner critic, imposter syndrome, procrastination, it will create 1,825 hours. That's 1,825 hours over the year that we're wasting. Over 10 years, that's over 18,000 hours. Imagine what progression you would make, the success you would achieve if not only you relieved yourself from all that wasted time and pain, but regained the power, the self-esteem, the self-certainty, and the inspired action that would come having solved your issue. It would mean the world. It would to me anyway. It would be life-changing. I wish I understood the real issue to all my self-doubt way back then, the inner critic, that imposter syndrome. So what I want you to do is go ahead and book a call, because it locked me in to that world. It locked me into just not knowing what to do or even if I'd ever change. But we've got to understand the real reason behind it all. Not the symptoms, but the real unconscious hidden cause. Because when you do, and then when we solve it together, once and for all, we'll be firing on all cylinders. You'll have so much more in your life, all that time, but with passion and purpose to succeed in any and all dreams you have. It all starts with booking that call, so go to www.josephclough.info/go and book an appointment to speak to us now. We can get it all together, carve out that plan, and if it works out great, we'll make that happen with you. If not, we'll point you to a different direction, because our reputation, our results are critical to success. So if it's not right, we'll say, look, we can't help you, but if we can, we'll definitely show you how we'll do that. So I'll speak to you soon. You have the most wonderful day, and let's live life the way it's meant to be. Many thanks and goodbye.